Time for another update on my first painting. For those who may not have seen some of my other videos on this, let me repeat, as a self-taught author, illustrator, cartoonist, I've lived my whole life guided by the famous Picasso quote, "I am always doing that which I cannot do in order that I may learn how to do it." For the better part of the last 30 years, I've pushed myself to tread in unfamiliar territory, to draw things I don't think I can draw, and to be comfortable being uncomfortable. In all that time, the one thing I've never tried was painting for the sake of, well, the joy of painting. That is until now. As I said in an earlier post, what attracts me most about the idea of pursuing painting is that it feels like it's the opposite direction the art world seems to be speeding towards, with AI, all the digital drawing tools and programs. Nothing against any of that stuff, I use it too. But I like the challenge of not being able to hit an undo or delete button, and the idea of holding that original art in my hand. The observations I posted earlier still stand. I'm finding that even at my age, painting is teaching me how to focus and be patient. It's the painting that sets the pace, not me. And as long as I'm paying attention, that painting will give me direction and tell me what it needs. I think what makes it so much fun is there isn't a set plan here, no specific direction, which means I may be almost done with this one. But maybe not. Time will tell. I'll keep you posted.